Good day, everyone. Our topic is all about permutation. The learner competencies is illustrates the permutation and solve problems involving permutation. First, we need to define what is permutation. So, permutations refer to the different possible arrangement of a set of objects. It can be illustrated by listing, making a tree diagram, making a table, and using the fundamental counting principle. Fundamental counting principle. The example of permutation is like arranging for different shoes on a shoe rack, or creating a password in your phone or in the ATM card. That is the example of permutation. Now we have an example or a situation that we need to use the listing, tree diagram, table, and fundamental counting principle. So here are the situation. A close friend invited Rosa to her birthday party. Rosa has 4 new blouses, stripes, with ruffles, long sleeve, and sleeveless, and 3 skirts, red, pink, and black, in her closet reserved for such occasions. Assuming that any skirt can be paired with any blouse, in how many ways can Rosa select her outfit? So we have four illustrated in permutation. So we need to do first the listing. Okay, listing method. So now we have here the blouse. First is we need to use the method of listing. Method 1, which is listing. So we have here blouses that stripes with ruffles, long sleeves, and sleeves. Then here is skirt. The color is red, pink, and the black. So the stripes we need to paired with the skirt, which is red. Then next is stripes. It can paired by skirt pink. Then the stripes it can paired with black skirts. So we have a three paired in the stripes. Then next is with ruffles. So with ruffles it can paired with a skirt red. So skirt red. Next is it this ruffles can paired with pink. Here it can paired. Okay, sorry. Then with ruffles can paired with the black here, connect that. Then long sleeve it can paired also in skirt red. Then can paired with a pink, right? With pink. Then it can paired with a black. And the last one is sleeveless. So same, that it can paired the different color, the red, pink, and black. So paired with the black, red, paired with the pink, and paired with the black. Okay, here. How many stripes can paired? So three. With ruffles, three. Long sleeve, 3 paired, and sleeveless 3 paired. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3, 6, yeah, we add this. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, so 9. Then 9 plus 3 is 12. So it has a 12 ways 12 ways in paired by the blouse and skirts. Then second is to use a method 3 method method 2, which is the tree diagram. So in making a tree diagram, we need to do is it has a blouses, which is the skirt, which is the stripes, and the skirt is it has a color of red, pink, and black. So we need to the blouses stripes, we need to line this in the red. It has a pink and the black. Now next is the with ruffles blouses. So it has also the color of red, pink, and black. So we need to connect it in the red, in the pink, and the black. Next is the long sleeves. Long sleeves. So they have a color of red, pink, and black. Next is the sleeveless. So it has color of red, pink, and black. So sleeveless color red, pink, and black. So now we have a stripe. So we have a three pair of stripes. Three. With ruffles, it has 3 pairs of the skirt. So 3 long sleeve is paired to three skirts, which is the color red, pink, and black. So 3. Next, sleeveless paired with the 3 skirts, color skirts. So 3. Then we need to add this. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3 equals 12 ways. So it has a 12. Using the tree diagram, we can come up with the 12 ways in pairing in the blouses and skirts. And next is we need to use next method is we need to use the method of table. It is the method 3. Okay, method 3. Here in table, so you need to what is the blouses? So the blouses is named stripes. So you need to give stripes. Then in the skirt it has a color. What color? Red, right? Red. Then you need to now put the blouses. The blouses are stripes. Stripes, right? Then the skirt. What's the color of the skirt? Next. So the stripe is we need to So the color of stripes is pink. Next, blouses is stripes. Then color is black. Next is the with ruffles. So first color is red. Then we copy this with ruffles. The color is pink. Next, with ruffles, we need to put the with ruffles in blouses because we have the three colored of skirts, which is so copy the with ruffles. Then the color is black. Next one we need to do is the long sleeves. Next is long sleeve. We have color of first color is red, paired of red. Then it's paired with color pink. Okay, the pink color. So next is we have a long sleeve paired with red and pink. The last one of paired by long sleeve is long sleeve paired by black. Get it? Then next is sleeveless. Sleeveless. And it's paired by the color red. Color red. Okay. Next, sleeveless. Paired by what color? So the next is the color pink, alright? Pink. And the last one, the sleeveless, is paired by colored black. Okay? Black color. The last color. Black. So, here are the table. The method G table. So, which is the blouses and the skirts. So, we have types of blouses, which is the stripes with ruffles, long sleeves, and sleeveless. Then in the skirts, we have three color, which is the red, pink, and black. So to find how many is the paired by blouses, we need to add this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it tells that three stripes paired by red, pink, and black. With ruffles, three with ruffles paired with red, pink, and black. And three long sleeves paired by red, pink, and black. And the last one, sleeveless, paired by the three color, which is red, pink, and black. So come up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the table, it has a 12 ways that 12 way that blouse is paired with the skirts. So same in the method 1 that we come up with 12 ways, and the method 2, which is the tree diagram. So for now, let's have proceed to our method 3. Before that, we need to define what is a fundamental counting principle. Okay, so here, the fundamental counting principle can be used also in determining the number of possible arrangements of set of objects. So it's determining the number of possible arrangement of in a set or in an object. So using the fundamental counting principle in determining the number of possible fits of the 4 blouses and 3 stripes, we just use the fundamental method, which is the method for which is the fundamental counting principle, which is FCP. So using that, so 4 which is the blouses, 4 blouses, right, times the 3 skirts. So we just multiplied it. 4 times 3 equals 12. So 12 ways or 12 possible outfits. So this is the fourth method, which is the fundamental counting principle. So for now, let's move to our next lesson, which is solve the problem involving the permutation. The permutation is an ordered arrangement. It is an ordered arrangement, right, of either all objects in a given set, a part of such set. Solving for the number of permutation involves evaluating the factorial of a number. So the so the n we can read it a factorial. So this is a factorial. So the product of the positive integers of n and all the positive integers less than n. So we have the n factorial equals n minus 1. It is we use this have to determine what is the answer. So 3, 2, and 1. So for example, we have here the example, which is the 5 factorial. So using this, the n is 5, right? So 5. So here 5, right? 5. So example, so 5 factorial. So the n is 5 minus 1, then 5 minus 2, and to 1. So here 5 factorial equals 5 minus 1, 4. So 3, then 2 to 1. So we need to multiply this. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals, what is the answer? So the answer is 120. Okay, get it? Then we have the example here. 4 factorial. So 4 is 4, 3, 2, 1 equals 24. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24. Then 3 factorial. 3 times 2 times 1 equals 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. Then 2 factorial equals, so 2 times 1 equals 2. Then if 1 factorial, that answer is 1. If 0 factorial, so the answer also is 1. Always, even if it's 0, so the answer is always 1. Okay? Now, we have a solving problem. So, here are the example. How many ways can a letter A, B, and C can be arranged using 2 letters at a time? So, we use what method that we use in it? So the method is the listing. So listing method. So how many ways can the letter A and B and C be arranged using two letters at a time? So dapat hindi natin ang the letters, hindi natin ito babalik-balikin. So first is AB, then AC, then BA, then BC, CA, and CB. When you see, di ba hindi siya nabalik-balik ang the letter. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this has a 6 different way. 6 different way, okay? Using the listing. Okay, it can, the A, B, and C can arrange it in a 6 different way. And the next example is, so how many ways can the letter A and C be arranged? So we need to use also the method of listing. Okay, listing. So first is the A, B, and C, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, and CBA. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 ways. 6 ways. So if when we use the formula, the permutation has a formula which is P times N and R equals N factorial all over N minus R. So in here, the N is, we have a 6. 6 is the N. So using that P, N and R is 6, okay? So unit here is P, N, R equals 6 factorial. I know. No. So we have, the N is pala is 3. Then the R is 3. Okay? Sorry for the wrong. So the N is 3 factorial over 3 minus 3 factorial equals 3 factorial. 3 minus 3 equals 0. So, same, di ba? Meron tayong N 3 factorial. Same kayo na sa example. So, 3 times 2 times 1 over 0 equals 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. Okay? 6. So, the final answer is 6 ways. Get it? Okay, very good. Now, we have also another example. So, in how many ways can you arrange the 4 photos in a row? So, in how many ways can you arrange 4 photos in a row? So, they have a 4 photos, so 4 factorial. So, using the example of kanina, so 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24 ways. Very good, 24 ways. Okay. Then, next example we have here, which is how many ways can a letter A, B, and C be arranged using one letter at a time? We need to determine first the the N and R. So the N is, there are 3 letters to be arranged, right? So it has 3. The R, it has a 1 letter will be used at a time, so it is 1. Using the formula of P, N, R, or permutation of an object taken by R at a time, N factorial all over N minus R factorial. So the N is 3 factorial, right? 3 all over 3 minus the R is 1 factorial. So 3 factorial all over 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 factorial. Next step, see, it has 3 factorial, so we need to convert it. 3 times 2 times 1 all over 2 times 1 equals 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. Okay, very good. 6 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So the answer is 3 ways. Here are the answer. 3 ways. Okay, did you get it? Okay, very good. And for now, that's all my topic for today.